We're not sure how this is going to work with these three on our knees, but
Might not last for long.
we need your help, or we're asking for your help, and we hope you don't mind us asking. But
With all that's going on over in Eastern Europe, and there's a lot of humanitarian aid being poured in there. Lots of refugees struggling, and a lot of help going out. The other side of the story is their pets. And as we know, we're dog lovers.
yes, we love you.
Yeah.
We've seen on the news people trying desperately to keep their pets with them, and obviously they're struggling to feed their dogs as well. And so our friend Pippa, who you've seen in our videos, had a brilliant idea to set up an Amazon wish list for medical supplies and dried food and things like that she could drop off at a local collection centre that was then being taken out to Ukraine. But we thought, what could we do? We actually dropped some stuff off over the weekend at our local collection depot, and we suddenly realised that the best way we could help was to collect dog food that could be sent out.
Cat food.
Or cat food. Yeah, we've not actually put any cat food on our wish list, but we have asked for dog food. So if you could have a look at the link that we'll post in the description for this video. We've got a list of things that we'd like sent to us, which we can then deliver to our local collection centre.
It's mainly dried stuff, isn't it?
It's mainly dried dog food, yeah. Dog biscuits and dried dog food. We will add a bit of cat food to it as well. But that just helps people over there. It'll be taken out by truck. The collection centre is sending trucks out every day. So as stuff arrives, we can drop it off and then it'll be loaded onto a truck and driven over.
We've also checked with them, haven't we?
We have. We've asked if that's
they
okay.
want to take over dog food, and yes, it is. They're quite happy to do that and very grateful for anything they can get. So
there are some animal charities that obviously are collecting as well, but the easiest way that we can send stuff out is to send it directly over. Animal charities aren't able to send people in on the ground, are they, actually into Ukraine? Because of the danger at the moment. But as refugees are going over into other countries, that's where stuff that you help us to send out there can get to, so that animals are fed. Yeah. So there'll be, as we say, there'll be a link to our Amazon wish list at the end, in the description for this video. So that's it really.
Just a short one.
Just asking for any help that you can.
Oops. So, yes. So anything that you could donate would be gratefully received, and we'll ensure that it gets onto a lorry going over to Eastern Europe. Obviously,
we fully understand that people are struggling at the moment and people can't afford it, so please don't feel obliged if you can't. It's not a demand, it's just an ask if you possibly can. So with that, we'll get this video edited. Not much editing to it, but we'll get this video uploaded and we'll add the list in the description. Thank you so much and take care.
Bye.
Bye. Nothing to add?
I'm sat on his tail.